Right, so I should have been recording this yesterday because it was blue skies, sunshine and rainbows in the afternoon, whereas this morning it's turned a bit grey, as you can see, and it's currently spitting, so I'm hoping it doesn't pick up whilst I go for this quick tour. We are in Outward Bound Zimbabwe. Outward Bound's an international company, you've probably heard of them, that does like leadership and outdoors, and they do it with corporations and kids and whatever. And we thought it'd be a good idea for us to come here to this place, and I'll just show you a quick tour of what we've done because we've had an absolutely fantastic time, a really good time, and I've got quite a lot of chest pain from aching muscles as a result of all the climbing and stuff we've done, and so I'll just start off showing you. First thing we did was a rock climb, which I'm not going to be able to show you. It was out behind these buildings. It was an abseil, and then it was a climb back up, which was quite good. The climb was probably 20 meters max, so it wasn't too challenging, but it was fun all the same. It looks like this grove of eucalyptus trees was planted here to form like an activity hub, which I think was a fantastic idea. First, I'll show you the zip line, which is pretty self-explanatory. It was the first zip line I've ever done, and I had an absolute blast doing it. They're very safety conscious, so you got to tie in to get up to everything. But yeah, we did that. I let off a bit of a scream when we did that, and that was fun. And then another one, which was one of my favourites that we did, was called it's called the Pamper pole, and I think Pamper's got a different definition here than it does at home, because it wasn't quite the pampering I expected, but it was still very good. So which one is it? Oh, it's here. Right, see this pole here, and there's a little swing, yeah, you can see. So you had to climb up, and the rungs are quite a bit apart, so you've got to climb all the way up, use your hands and feet, get to the top, jump off and swing on the pole to win. And that was a right laugh, because when you get to the top it gets all wobbly because it's quite thin, and yeah, it's quite difficult to climb up onto the top. Me and Rach had a bet on to see who could get up there the fastest, and yours truly won. The prize being a slab of dairy milk Oreo chocolate, which I'm very much looking forward to. And then another thing we did was Jacob's ladder, which was by far the most challenging thing we've done, probably the most challenging thing we've done on this trip, and it was really tough, but good for teamwork. These ladders, which at a distance don't look too bad, but when you get closer you'll see the real problem, because they're so far apart in rungs. So what you have to do is, together, you're both tied in somewhere up there. Oh yeah, you can see the lines here. So they hoist up a rope and tie you in, so it's relatively safe. But then these rungs are about, these ones, this bottom one's not too bad, it's probably about 5'6" apart. So I stand on it. Oh. Like, you can have a look at my head. I'm 5'9". My head's not that big. And then they get further and further apart as you go up. And then there's a bell at the top to ring. So what you got to do is like grab it like this, jump up and swing your legs up, and then like twist round. I cheated a little bit and used Rachel's rope to hoist myself up, and then I could give Rach a hand when she needed it, but a couple of times she just like swung herself around out of sheer determination, which was really quite impressive and scary. And then this morning we finished off our Outward Bound stay with a climb on those rocks. You see where it's like blue, not blue, orange, We abseiled down that bit, which was ace, and we did some like climbing inside of a crevice in there, and it was just really good. So we've had a fantastic time at Outward Bound, and I just thought I'd let you know because you'd be interested. All right, cheers, bye.